So let's delve more into what these jobs actually do. And I'm going to keep using cashier as an example. First of all, this reference card, needless to say, is the same as this lanyard that you take with you. So the way that if the job is vacant and no one's holding the role at the moment, then this lanyard is going to sit here over the repeat information that's down here. But on the reverse of the lanyard is the same information as this lower part of the roll card as well. So if you're holding the lanyard, you always have access to all the information that is written here. It's the same thing. Now what you'll see, kind of faint because I have a crappy printer, there we go, is that there's this thing called actions, which is in this colored box, kind of midway down this card. Now, when the role is vacant, which is to say when this job card is sitting here, which means no one actually has the role of cashier, you have the ability to use this job's action effect. So here it says you may spend $15 to gain junk food. And then junk food is going to allow you to check the food box and give you +1 pain. So just to run through what that means, first of all, it means that over here in chapter 1, you'd come over into activities first and you can say something like bought junk food. And then you're going to come down here and say, okay, well, I have junk food, which means I've checked this food box, which means, hooray, I'm going to avoid this trauma. Success. However, it's junk food, so it's also going to give me +1 pain over here. Now, pain is better than trauma, for obvious reasons. So it's a pretty good deal. Now, you're also going to have to, it costs $15, remember? So you're also going to have to come over to your wealth thing and subtract $15 from your total wealth in order to buy that junk food. And as I said, you can do all of that as an action, but only if the cashier role is vacant. So only if this card is sitting here. As soon as this card is taken, this action becomes unavailable to you. The only way you can interact with the cashier now is by finding the real life cashier and using their ability.